Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a sheriff and cowgirl inspired bow. So I'm going to start doing the cowboy one. So we're going to take those away and we're going to work with these fabrics. Now for this I have got my glue gun, a pen, scissors, a 65mm alligator clip, my bow templates and my fabrics, and I have some Felties. Now these fabrics are from Mama's Bow Fabrics. They come in a set, a savings set. You can buy them all separately or you can buy the savings set and get them as a bundle. Now we're going to use the brown suede to represent Woody's boots. There is a blue denim for his trousers. There is this check for his shirt and this polka dot one for his necktie. Now these Felties are from Emma Jo Felties. I will pop the link to the fabrics and the Felties in the description. I've got a little sheriff badge, if you can see that there, which is absolutely amazing. I love how cute that is. And also Woody's footprint, which says Andy on it. So we've got one of those too. So we're going to pop those to the side for a minute. And first of all, we're going to get the brown suede fabric and I'm going to use the bottom template to draw around that. Now I do need one of these for Jessie's shoes also. So I'm going to do two just to save a little bit of time on the video. So that's the bottoms done. I'm now going to do the middle of the denim fabric for Woody's trousers. Next up, I am going to do the very top in this yellow checked fabric, which represents Woody's shirt. So now I'm going to cut all these out and then we can get gluing them together. So here's the cut out pieces. So now we're going to put them all together. So just like a regular bow, we've got the base. I'm going to glue the top part together. And the middle part. Now because this is quite thick denim fabric, you need to hold it just for a little bit longer because it does hold its shape really well and it likes to pull away. So you need to just hold it, make sure it's glued before you let go. And then we're gonna glue it to this bottom part. So that's his shoes and his jeans. Now we're going to put his shirt on. And like I say, because these are not normal glittery fabrics, these are actual cotton fabrics that are felt backed. They do take a little bit longer to stick and sometimes can lift. So be prepared just to hold them down for a little bit longer. They should work just fine and they'll hold the shape beautifully. See, it's popped open. Just need to pop a little bit more glue in there. But that's because these are really good quality, thick pieces of fabric. Also, you will need really sharp scissors with these. It cuts through the fabric fine, but the felt is really thick. So you do need really sharp scissors. Okay, and now we're going to put the clip on. So it's just a 65mm alligator clip. You could put a hair elastic on this, but this is the time to do it now. Glue it onto the back. And then we are going to cut a piece of the red polka dot out for the middle. So now I'm going to do what we always do. Open the clip, pop some glue in the middle. And then pop that piece in there. So this is thin cotton fabric that is felt backed. So there's the basic cowboy. We've got his boots, his jeans, his shirt and his necktie. And now we're going to embellish. Now we're going to look at placement on this. We don't want to cover the middle because obviously that covers the red for his necktie. I also want to just try something out for this necktie as well. I'm just going to cut a piece of this fabric because obviously we want it to show that it's a necktie. Thinking what shape I want. I want kind of like bunny ears. Need a bit to stick under and then just so it's like it's been tied. So let's just cut that out and have a look. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on it. I'm not gluing the whole piece because I want it to stick out like it's been tied, like the necktie's been tied around his neck, and then these are the ends that are sticking out. Now I know this is a cowboy bow, and I just think that makes it look a little bit more girly. What do you think? Pop your comments below. Did you like it with or without the ends of the necktie on there? I quite like it like that. But I am thinking 2 felties may be too much for one bow. But I'm going to go with the Sheriff's Badge today because I absolutely adore this. It is fantastically made. Emma Jo Felties. I will put the link to the shop in the description. She does ship worldwide. Europe, America. She's UK based. But absolutely fantastic. I mean, the cutting out on this is so neat. It's amazing. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue just sort of down the middle there. And again, I don't like to stick these flat. I like them to be kind of 3D. So I'm just going to hold that in place while it dries. So there is the Sheriff Woody inspired cowboy bow. So we're not going to use this. We could make another bow and put that on there, which I think we're going to do because I do have Buzz's footprint. So we're going to do another cowboy and Buzz in another video. So watch out for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss out on that one. Okay, now for the cowgirl. So for the cowgirl, we have got the brown for the boots, the cow print for the chaps, for the trousers, and the red for her waistcoat, and then we have a cowgirl hat felty. So we're going to stick these together. first we're going to put the clip on, again another 65mm alligator clip. So I'm just going to put some glue on there. Then we're going to glue the middle part on. And wrap it round. I always cut them too long, so I'd rather have them too long than too short. Put that like that. And then we're going to get her cowgirl hat and we're going to pop it on that side there. Now, it won't need glue in the middle, it'll just need glue on this edge. Because it is going to hang off quite a lot. So off camera, I've just made this little mini bow, which I've just done freehand, and I've also made this shape, which is made to represent Jessie's plait and hair. So I may do a tutorial on this separately, but I just wanted to make sure it'd work before I did it. So basically I've just freehanded on the red felt that I've used for the middle, just freehanded a drawing of this represents the hair. It's sort of a wavy line on either side with a curled bottom. You can see that shape there. To represent a plait, and then I've just freehanded a little bow, mini bow, for the bottom to represent a hair, because I think this I've been looking at pictures of Jessie and she has more of a white shirt with yellow on. I don't think that's enough yellow. She has a yellow bow in her hair, so I just wanted to do that, and I'm going to pop it under here so it just sticks out like that, and I think that gives it more of a Jessie feel. So I'm just going to glue that in there. I think that gives it more of a feel that this is Jessie the cowgirl. Because Woody does have his little neck scarf, which the more I look at this, the more I absolutely adore it. I think that just makes it. I think it looks perfect. If you've got any ideas on where to put the denim on the Jessie bow, please let me know. I'm thinking I may do another layer. Do this bit in denim and then do a smaller cowgirl and then a small bit of red. It's just the yellow. I think it needs more yellow and a little bit of blue. So I'm quite happy with that turned out. What do you think? Please comment below what you would change about them, what colour combination you would do for Jessie. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Let's have a discussion in the comments about which one's best and how you would go about it. I'm quite happy with how they're finished now. This looks so adorable. That one's got to be my favourite, the Woody one. Let me know what you think below, and I'll give you a close-up on the bows. So here's how the Jessie bow turned out. Got really nice shape to it. Love the cowgirl hat and the little bow with a ponytail. And this is the Sheriff Woody bow, which the more I look at it, the more I absolutely love it. That felty is amazing. And this little bit to finish off his necktie just finishes the bow off nicely. I think that's absolutely fantastic. So here we have the Woody bow, the Jessie bow, the Cowboy, the Cowgirl, inspired by series. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've popped over from the Facebook group, don't forget to use the hashtag. So let me know that you've come from there. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, I'll pop the link in the description. I've got a Facebook group where you can go on and discuss the tutorials, request new ones, show off what you've done using the tutorials, and also the supplier info for these fabrics and felties are in there too. So I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, pop a comment below if you can, and make sure that notification bell's turned on. So thanks very much. See you later. Bye.